In today's video, I will be unboxing the Pinecil Smart Soldering Iron and Mayim solder. So it's got this nice glossy white box that it's encased in, and it's kind of hard to open because of this small opening. Okay, and there is a piece of foam encasing that protecting the soldering iron itself and the tip, and there's an instruction manual. So it comes with it features an LCD screen, and buttons to control the temperature. And it's pretty small. And as you can see, it's about the size of a pencil. Its I/O port includes USB Type-C and whatever this thing is. It's pretty sharp, this thing. It has this nice grip. So it's actually smaller than soldering iron. And when you're done, you could just, I'm going to be keeping it in this foam, in the foam block it came in. So it's pretty cool actually how small they made this thing, how optimized it is to be able to like fully solder stuff. So I have two nickels here, and I'm going to be soldering them together to make a dime. I know this sounds pretty stupid. How do we? Okay, I'm just gonna use this end. Okay, so we have our solder. We have our thing. Oh god, here it comes.
Don't do it towards me.
Wait, oh.
You don't know what you're doing?
You have to heat up the surface.
Don't put your finger on it. What is wrong with you?
Okay,
put it in the middle.
Oh yeah, yeah, here. Okay, we're climbing up in the temperatures. 150 Fahrenheit. Alright, I'm gonna stop when it gets to 200.
200, you got it.
We'll do it the max. Okay, then this guy.
No, don't do both. You're supposed to compare them. Oh, yeah, you're putting them together.
Okay. So, now we will melt this guy. Melt this guy, I said we will melt.
Do it.
I am doing it. You smell it? Okay, there we go.
I don't have a nose. I'm just kidding. Oh, there's steam. Oh.
Okay, you can see the steam. 450 Fahrenheit. Oh god.
Can you guys see that?
Ugh. Wait, I didn't do the flux. Okay, there. Okay. Then we'll just like...
Is this toxic?
I don't know.
That's great.
Okay.
I'm holding my nose. I don't think we're gonna edit this part, Martz.
Yeah, this is like crazy. Okay, I'm gonna stop. No more soldering now.
Oh my god. Are you seeing this? Sorry, it's blurry. Focus, you damn camera. Focus. I'm trying to do things here. Put them together.
Oh wait, no, I'm just gonna go like this. Hey,
no, just heat up the thing and then attach them. Or no, that metal is glue. The metal you put on is glue.
Uh-oh. Alright, I'm gonna stop now.
600?
Unplug. Okay, okay, I'm just going over here. Okay, so I'm not gonna touch this, but as you can see, I kind of ruined this nickel.
Get a normal nickel to show.
So,
I show everyone this one.
So the difference.
You altered both nickels. Get it? Oh, okay. Put them in the same like spot. Here.
So what you guys can tell is that this guy has like a bunch of random stuff on him. I'm not very precise at soldering because this is my first time.
What do we think that looks like? Oh, you covered like his eye. Gave him some.
I wasn't even trying to like make it look good. I was just trying to like make it stop. Make it stop.
Alright guys, so guess what? Lawrence will be auctioning this off after school on Tuesday, April 29th. He will be auctioning it off starting about 3:10 at the playground. Right, Lawrence?
Yeah.
And it'll cost
$5.
$5?
Yeah.
No. Like it costs like 25 cents.
Yeah, 25 cents.
Alright, I think this is getting too long, so we will have to see you in the next video, but I think Lawrence has a message for us.
Like, subscribe, and please share with a friend.